CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and it's taken me, that 5-year time period. So I've seen what's actually printing me money and what is not. And especially looking at this thing from here, I'm looking to buy like very, very simple idea, but I'm not going to immediately buy, if you know what I mean. Now, ultimately, this is when I really began buying with CRCL. This was sitting at now $76 to 104 2 weeks back, and since then I just took it up and it did its thing, which is good. Now, like, the only thing that will make me buy more, is if I see the shift, and if I do not see the shift, then I guess I'm just gonna skip. I'm not gonna buy. Honestly speaking, like, it should give me like a proper shift in order for me to really get involved here. So that's how CRCL is looking like. I know it's melting now, and it's totally fair because we shifted quite crazy. Totally normal part of the process, nothing unusual, just sold, just waiting for rules. And if I pop up here, 11 results pop up. And if you want to learn how to make your 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.